Okay, our next topic is how can we find the point of intersection of a line and a plane in 3D. So suppose that we are given a plane. Okay, so let's say this is a plane. Okay, and any other line. So let's say this is the line which is intersecting the plane. Okay, which is intersecting a plane. There will be only one point. Okay, there is going to be only one point where this line will intersect the plane. There will be either we can have three different possibilities, but we are not interested in them. I mean, there can be three different possibilities. You can imagine that the line can be parallel to the plane L, and it is lies, let's say, above the plane or below the plane. Anywhere. The second possibility can be the line L, it is completely lies on the plane. In that case, we will get infinitely many solutions. And the third possibility is the following: the line L, it is tilted, mean it crosses or it intersects the plane. In that case, we will get only one unique solution. Okay, this is the case we are going to discuss here, that is how to find the point of intersection of a line and a plane. So for this case, let us solve an example. Let us solve an example to see how can we do this thing. So we are given a point, find a point at which the line which is given by the parametric equations x equals to 2 plus 3d. Okay, the line, it is given by x equals to 2 plus 3t, y equals to minus 4t, and z equals to 5 plus t. And the plane, it is given by the equation 4x plus 5y minus 2z equals to 18. We need to find the point of intersection. So what you have to do, you have to substitute these values of x from the equation number 1 into the equation of the plane. That's what you have to do. Put the equation number 1, or you can say the values of x, y, and z in equation number 2, and then we solve this to find the value of the t. So let's substitute this thing, 4 multiplied with x, and let us first I will write this as 2 plus 3t plus 5 multiplied with y, which is minus 4t, minus 2 multiplied with z, which is 5 plus t equals to 18. Now we simplify this thing and find the value of t. That will give you 8 plus 12t minus 20t minus 10 minus 2t equals to 18. That will give you I think minus 10t, and 8 minus 10, it will give you minus 2, it is equal to 18. And if you simplify this thing, minus 10t, it will give you 20. If you divide both sides with the minus 10, t equals to minus 2. T equals to minus 2. Now put this value of t equals to minus 2 in equation number 1. Okay, so substituting, okay, so put t equals to minus 2 in equation number 1. So x will become 2 plus 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6, it will give you minus 4. Okay, and what is y? Y will be equal to minus 4 multiplied with minus 2, which is equal to 8, and z equals to 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3. So the point of intersection, it is given by the following: minus 4, 8, and 3. That's how you can find the point of intersection of a line with a plane.